Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to change the look of your website at connect.dataczar.com. So first of all, let's go to dataczar.com. You're going to log in. We're already logged in, so we're just going to click on it. And let's get rid of this and we'll go full screen. Okay, so to change the look of your website, you're going to click on the website button. And these are all the editing tools. We have post, pages, templates, appearance, and settings. We're going to be using the appearance button. But first of all, let's just tab over to our website. This is our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. I'm going to go ahead and refresh that because it didn't have a logo there. And let's make sure it's not showing there too. Okay, so this is what your website looks like basically with the main template. It's a white background. And then if you've adjusted your home page, it'll look something like this. And let's go to a blog. This is a blog page we created. And change the look of your website. We made a blog post here. These are the templates that we're going to be using today. And we're going to cover this one more time. But these are the ones that we recommend. So if you want to, go back, pause the video, refer to these templates, these are the ones that we're going to be adding. So let's go ahead and go back to Connect. So we're on the website button. We're going to click on the appearance button here. And then we're going to change the template. We're also going to do the logo and background image. So let's keep this moving. So the first template that we're going to change to is Cosmo. And we're just going to click Update. And then we're going to tab back over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes. Go back to our home page. And we'll refresh the page. And there's Cosmo. It gives it a blue up top on the top menu bar. And the bottom menu turns blue on Cosmo. So let's go ahead and tab back. Let's pick a different one. This one is called Darkly. This is another one of our recommended. We're going to click Update. We're going to tab back over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes. We're going to refresh, and that gives it a totally different look, as you can see. And let's go back. The next one we're going to choose is Dark and Stormy. This one's really interesting, so let's take a look at this one real quick. And let's go back, and we're going to refresh. And one more time. Okay, hold on. Let's tab back over. Just hit Update one more time. And then we'll tab back over, refresh the screen, and there it is. So there's Dark and Stormy. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a background image too, and it's going to give these a totally different look. So let's tab back over. And another one I want to show you, and there's some that have a totally different look, and one of them is called Agency. Agency is going to give your website a totally different look. So let's look at some of these real quick, and let's refresh the screen. And there's Agency. You'll see we have AAA Outdoor Scenes here, and then the layout looks completely different. And let's go ahead and tab back over. And let's go ahead and choose one more. Let's go ahead and do Effortlad and Update. And go back to our AAA Outdoor Scenes. Let's refresh the website. And there it is. So there's the Effortlad. And one other thing, let me go back and tab back over here. The thing that we're using here is we're using this public preview URL. If you want to view your changes quickly, make sure you use the public preview URL. If you have a domain, your website's showing here, but make sure you use the public preview URL. And then another thing you can do to change the appearance of your website, at least on the home page, you can go to Pages on your home index page, and we're doing this quickly. We're going to include posts. So we just went to the Edit button on the home page. We're going to include posts, and we're going to click Update. And also, another thing you can do, so we're on Pages right here, and we just went to the home page and edited that and included our posts. The other thing you can do is on the Appearance button, you can add a logo. So let's go ahead and choose a logo. We already have them in My Images. And we have, if you watch the first tutorial video on how to get started building your website on the Help button, it's going to show you how to do all this stuff. So we're just going to kind of go through this quickly. And then background image, we're going to choose one of the here, and my images, and we're going to choose this one here, and we're going to update. Okay, so we got the logo, we got the background image, and let's go back over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes, and this is the Efforlad. We're going to do Control F5, and you can see the logo went here. The background image doesn't show on Efforlad, but all the blog posts do. So we added the blog post to our home page, and that really changed the look of that one. So let's tab back over, and then let's go back to choosing some other templates that we just went over. Let's go back to Cosmo again, see how that looks with the background image and with the logo. That's the first one we went over. And let's tab back over, refresh the screen, and there it is. So it has the background image, and then it has the posts. It has a much different look now. And then tab back over, and then one other one I want to show you is agency again. And agency is one of these that's not going to show the background image, and I'm going to show you something real quick here in just one moment, but let's go ahead and refresh the screen and show agency. So there's agency with the logo. It doesn't have the background image, but all the posts that we added show nicely on the home page. So that's a really cool one. And let's tab back over to our website, and let's go back to the blog. And if we look at our how to change the look of your website blog, again, these ones that are highlighted in blue, agency, Efforlad, Wise, also Rock should be blue too. Those 4 templates are going to show much different from the other templates, and so we recommend that you try those 4 especially. And one other thing I want to show you, on the Help button here, you can go to our Help Center, click on our Help Center right here, and then how to use templates. Click on this. This is going to show you the other ones. It's going to show you the Dark and Stormy, Cerulean, Cosmo, all of these templates here. And so take a look at that. It doesn't have the Efforlad, the agency, the Rock, and the Wise listed yet, but refer to that page. It's really a good place to go. So let's go back to Dashboard, and that's it. That's how to change the look of your website with Dataczar Connect.